Hi guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today I have a special unboxing for you. This box was sent to me and it's called the ZaaBox, and the ZaaBox was designed to celebrate the Black woman as a goddess. All the products are from Black owned businesses and Black artisans from all around the world. So I absolutely love this idea that this box was curated with all products from Black businesses. So inside this box you can see was a card addressed to me, and inside was a beautiful message, a spiritual message. And so as you can see, the inside of the box is black and gold. And guys, I have to say the presentation on this ZaaBox is absolutely wonderful. I love it. And look how nicely it's packaged. Just really nice. I love subscription boxes that don't have products that you can find in Walmart, Target, the drugstore. These are special curated products, and I'm just going to go through each one with you very quickly before I go live. But first guys, I want to start with that rose. Look at that beautiful red rose that's in the box. What a beautiful touch. Really nice. Thumbs up to Mr. Terrence Strong for including this in the box. First guys, this is a bath bomb. This bath bomb is the red wine bath bomb. The name of it is Mitra's Bath and Body, and yeah, so medium size. Smells wonderful guys. It has a nice aroma to it, and it's made with a lot of natural ingredients. The next thing is the Bella Chic Beauty Essentials Merlot Red Wine Infused Soap. This smells wonderful guys. I could smell this through the package, and the packaging is very nice. I could see a lot of time went into caring about the way the product looks. Look at that soap. That cake of soap is gorgeous. Look at that deep red wine color. Next is the Indulgence Black Cherry Merlot. This is a body butter, and this is like real butter to me. It's so light and creamy and smooth, and it just simply melts into my skin. As soon as it touched my skin, it started to liquefy, and it made my skin feel very smooth and moisturized, and I didn't have to reapply once I used it. So it is long lasting. I love this. Next is the Pontie Wax Sweet Merlot Candle, and that's some information right there in the back. Candle smells wonderful guys. It has a nice spicy smell to it. It smells like rum, and it has a sweet scent of Merlot also. So I'm going to burn that later on. And last but not least in the box is chocolates from Phillip Ashley. And I'm going to open that just to show you what that looks like. Inside there are two pieces of chocolate guys. One chocolate. One is called Cabernet Balsamic. This one here, deep Merlot color. And the next one is the Chardonnay Triple Cheese. So I'm not going to eat that now. I'm going to taste that when I go live. But guys, I just wanted to remind you that all the products in this box, in the ZaaBox, each month are luxurious bath and body products. First thing I want to start with guys is this beautiful rose that was included in the box. Thank you to Mr. Strong for that. Very nice. I do appreciate that. And I have this right here in the beauty room. So as I'm working, I do have the fragrance of a rose in the room. So the first product is the red wine bath bomb, and that's the theme with this box. It's a red wine Merlot sort of themed box. This is the bath bomb that comes in it. This bath bomb was wrapped up nice and tightly. I did take it out of the plastic. It is so fragrant. It smells spicy and sweet at the same time, and it smells like something you would use in the evening time to relax, or either if you set aside a certain day of the week for your spa day. This is definitely what you would use that for. And it smells wonderful. Very nice fragrance to it. The next product is the Bella Merlot Red Wine Infused Soap. This is the package. This is how it looked. And let me just open it up because I did play with this. I did use my body sponge just to see how much soap and foam that this soap would make. Guys, this smells wonderful. This is what that looks like. It looks like a deep Merlot wine. It's not red when it foams up. It just turns into a nice beautiful soap. It left my skin feeling moisturized. As a matter of fact, this soap has a nice beautiful slip to it. It feels moisturizing. I love the way it smells, and I did use it to wash my hands with. I used my body sponge, and it did create a beautiful lather, nice, smooth, moisturizing, luxurious sort of lather. And I just washed my hands with that, and I rinsed my hands off very quickly because I just wanted to test it out. But I look forward to using this in the bath or the shower. The next product I already tried also after I washed my hands with the soap. I used the Indulgence. This is the Black Cherry Merlot Whipped Shea Body Butter with Argan Oil. Guys, if you have dry skin, and let me just show you what that looks like. And it smells good. It smells almost like a cherry candy or a cherry cordial in a way. Yeah, it smells just like that. So guys, let me just show you what that looks like. And let me put this here. And let me just tell you guys, I did use this after I washed my hands. And I mean, this was amazing. Once I put it on, as you can see, it starts to melt into the skin. As soon as it warms up with the skin, it just starts to almost liquefy in a way. This is, oh my goodness, this is wonderful. If you have very dry skin, I have a very oily face, but the rest of my body is very dry. And I love the way this feels on my skin, and it did last. I didn't have to reapply it like a half hour later. This is a long lasting, at least on me, and I have very dry skin. This was a very long lasting body butter, and I look forward to using this on my arms and down the front of my legs. Get very dry and flaky. After I take my shower and I use the soap, I will be using this on my very flaky dry legs, and I'll let you guys know how that's doing, how that's helping my legs. I'll let you all know. This is definitely the kind of product I think I would reinvest in. Okay guys, the next thing that was sent in the box is this candle. And let me just show you. I have it on this little tray. It didn't come with it. This is the way the candle comes. And this candle is called the Pontie Sweet Merlot candle. This is 100% soy candle. It's very fragrant. It does have a sweet smell. It has a spicy smell to it. It left a nice fragrance in the room. It has a beautiful fragrance throw, because I can smell the fragrance in my living room. I can smell it in my bedroom also. And yeah. So that's the candle. This is the top. And yeah. So I'm just going to sit this right back. Now last but not least are the Philip Ashley chocolates. And this is by the this is from philipashley.com. And let me just take that out. Now I did share a little bit of this with my husband. I let him have well, half of it anyway, because I wanted to taste it. I let him have half of the Chardonnay triple cream cheese candy, and here is the other one right here. Here's the other half. Has a nice soft cream cheese center. Tastes very good. The taste reminds me of Godiva chocolates. This is really good. The second chocolate in the box is called Cabernet Balsamic. Soft center, guys. Sweet. Interesting. A little bit tart also. It's absolutely delicious. And it has like a soft center. Oh, it's absolutely wonderful. Okay, guys. So that is it for this ZaaBox. Once again, I'd like to thank Terrence Strong for sending me out this box. This was absolutely a beautiful box. This is like a beautiful gift. I absolutely love the products. I'm going to use each product, and I'm going to get back to you guys and let you know how it worked out for me. But as it stands now, because I've already tried the soap and I've already tried the Indulgence body butter, I love these two. The candle is burning. It has a beautiful throw. That's wonderful. The chocolates were absolutely delicious. The only thing I haven't tried is the bath bomb, and I definitely would use that and let you guys know how that works out. And last but not least, what a beautiful rose. I'm just going to sit this right by my computer, and I'm going to just enjoy that. So guys, let me know what you think about this interesting box, and if you have any questions about it, please leave it in the comment section below. I definitely will leave the links to the ZaaBox website. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do appreciate it. Take care of yourselves. God bless, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye bye.